Hope everybody's having a good day. Today I'm going to show you how to properly white balance or color correct your photos in Lightroom. It's a fairly simple process. It should only take you a couple minutes maybe, and we'll jump right into Lightroom. Let's go. Your first step is you're going to grab the photo that you want to color correct or white balance. You're going to switch over to your development tab on the right hand side. You will see a tab that says basic and a drop down menu. In that drop down menu you will see an eyedropper. You're going to click on the eyedropper, just drag your mouse over somewhere onto the screen, find somewhere that is neutral gray. You're going to click it and it will automatically set the white balance for you. It'll be super simple. Alternatively, you can use what's called a gray card like I have here. You're going to need two photos. You will select the photo that has the gray card in it. You'll use the eyedropper to select the gray card. Under the basic tab, you will have a temp and tint slider. You will copy the number at the end of those, go to the photo that you want to white balance, paste that in there, and it will do it for you also. This is a better method because it's more accurate. This is 18% gray, and this is the industry standard. This is about 10 bucks on Amazon. The link will be in the description for Canada. And that's really all it is to white balance your photos. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you for watching the video.